Okay, I've got a really important tip for beekeepers. Whenever you're about to work on a hive or come close to a hive, you want to make sure your phone is set like this to airplane mode or flight mode, as it's sometimes called in other phones, with the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off. And the reason for that is the non-native electromagnetic fields that are emitted from these devices, specifically the wireless radiation. So your phone's searching for a Wi-Fi router or searching for a Bluetooth connection, or if searching for a local 4G or 3G, and maybe in the future searching for a 5G cell tower connection. When it's putting out those signals, that has a significantly negative effect on the health of the bees because they're very sensitive to that sort of energy. So, beekeepers of the world, put your phone on flight mode if you're going near a hive.